Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panter, and today we're going to check it out how to turn this Nike box in the same proportions as this wooden box in Photoshop. So as a reference, I'm going to use this wooden box, and then we got here the Nike packaging. First, I'm going to select this Nike packaging. I'm going to select the quick selection tool, and I'm going to click on the select subject. And from here, I'm going to press Ctrl C. I'm going to go back to the wooden box, press Ctrl V. Now from here, let's go to edit. Now let's select the perspective warp here. And all you need to do here is create a rectangle. You can select these dots and position them to the corner of the packaging. So this is going to be like the top dimension. Now we're going to create another rectangle. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to drag this dot and check this out. It's going to highlight these two lines. And I'm going to release it. And now they're going to connect perfectly. I'm going to also pull the rest. Now I'm going to create the third. So I'm going to pull this dot. I'm going to make this close. It's going to connect only with the top. But I'm also going to pull this. And this is going to connect with the bottom. It just snapped to it. I'm also going to decrease the opacity. So it's going to be a little bit more transparent. I'm going to decrease the opacity somewhat 50%. And I'm going to go up here and select the warp. Click on the warp, and I'm just going to pull these dots and reposition it accordingly to the wooden box. And don't forget to reposition also the center point. So it should look something like this. Now I'm going to select this move tool, and it's going to appear this window. I'm going to click on apply, and I'm going to increase back the opacity. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to uncheck it and check it. And perfect! It is really easy to use. You can test it out and see what happens. Thanks for watching, and if you're new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.